Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Pinterest INC. Now, if you look back into my channel, I have talked about this stock in the month of April itself. I think in the beginning of the month, where I talked about the risk reward, and I have said this as a less risk and more reward because the stock has fallen a lot, and now you can see the stock started increasing or moving higher slowly and gradually. So let's start analyzing the trend, and if you want you can check out my previous videos on Pinterest INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, as far as the channel trend is concerned, you have two most important levels to look at, and the stock has taken support above one of those levels. So you have 18.87, which is going to be your immediate support, and you have 17.23, which is going to be your stop loss on the downside. So please do not violate these two levels. And on the upside, you have two specific levels to look at, because right now the stock has been moving in between a range. So on the upside, because it has started moving higher, the first target will be 22.18 and the upper end of the range will be $27.27. Now, as you can see, there is a range in between which this stock is moving, this highlighted section. Now, before analyzing the chart further, I want to tell you one thing very clearly. If you are looking in like a stock like Pinterest INC, you must consider one thing, that whatever is happening is simply a trading bounce back, and the stock indeed shows that how volatile it could become when things are not normal. So one should consider this fact, and whatever you are doing, don't consider something for next 5 or 10 years. Just be with the momentum, because the stock market is very fast, and the stock market, if given you a return of 1000% or more, then you must start thinking, because if you are factoring those stocks on any fundamental parameters, it's not going to be justified enough. Because some people, I don't know whether they even understand about technical or fundamentals or not, they will start talking about fundamentals. Now, how come a stock moved by more than 5000% in 2 months justify any sort of fundamentals? Oh, this is just rubbish. And if the stock moves or given you a very good return, better to book profits. And it's all about money and buying and selling at the end of the day. So you have a range which is in between 17.23 and 27.27. If it crosses 27.27 or 28, the next range that will open up for you is in between, or will be in between $35 and $37.5 on the upside. So as you can see, there are numerous ranges which the stock must cross for any sort of uptrend on the upside. Okay, now only after 37.5 we will go for our next range, and it will start from 54.8 and can go up to 61.59 or $62. And after $62, or only after $62, we will retest the previous high, which is 42.92 and $90 on the upside. So you have a very big cushion, and because the stock has fallen a lot, you can gain that same in the upcoming days, weeks and months. But understand one thing, do not do such kind of mathematics or whatever you are doing, that it's going to be for the next 5 years I have this calculation. The fact is you do not. Okay, and if you do, you would have become a millionaire or billionaire, and you are not commenting on YouTube, right? So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.